Hey YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install Cool Retro Term on a Chromebook. But first, if you like installation videos where I install software on a Chromebook and on Windows, please subscribe. Okay, let's get to the video. The first thing I need to do is enable the Linux development environment. So to do that, I'm going to go over to the launcher here, and I'm going to search for my settings. And I'll click on my settings. And on the left-hand side of my settings, I have Advanced here. I'm going to click to expand that tab, and I'm going to go on down to Developers and click on that. From here, I can turn on the Linux development environment by clicking Turn On. This will bring up a setup wizard, and I'll start to go through it. So I'm going to click Next, and it's going to give me a username, and that's based off my email. Now, this can't be changed later, I don't believe, so you want to pick a username that you definitely want. And then it's also going to give me a recommended disk size. I'm going to keep both as is and click Install. And that's going to take a few minutes to go ahead and install, so I'll come on back once that's done. Once you turn on the Linux development environment, a terminal will pop up. I can close my settings here. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font so you can see what I'm doing. And I want to make sure everything is up to date. And I can do that by typing sudo apt-get update, and then 2 ampersands for and, sudo apt-get dist upgrade. And I'll do a -y to say yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. Okay, once the Linux development environment is enabled, we can install Cool Retro Term. To do that, we'll type sudo apt-get install cool-retro-term and press enter. We'll then confirm the additional space by pressing Y and enter. And once that's run through, we can go to our launcher here and we can find the icon for Cool Retro Term either by searching for it, or it'll just be up here, or it could be in the Linux apps. Once you find the icon, you can right-click and pin to shelf, and then you can click to open Cool Retro Term. And here you go. Cool Retro Term is open and installed on your Chromebook. If you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you for watching.